Hey everybody, here's your Monday motivation tip for this week. I'm going to show you how to automate some of your more repetitive tasks inside of your Monday board to save you lots of time and effort. So to do this, we're going to click on the Automate tab, and we're going to do a simple automation for moving tasks to a group called Done whenever we set the status to be done on a task. So let's go to Custom Automation, and we're going to do when this happens. So when a status changes to something, and here I'm selecting the status column from my board, and we want it to go trigger when we change it to done. Then we want something to happen, and in this case we want to move the item to the done group. And there you go. So now we'll just create that, and let's give it a test. So this example research task here, if we change that to done, let's see what happens. And there you go. An automation has run and the item has been added to the done group as planned. Easy as that. And now this will happen for each task that you do this for, removing any manual clicking and dragging of items around your board. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.